Hey guys, it's Caroline. Welcome back to Caroline's World, and today I'm going to do Life of a Slime Scammer. This video is inspired by my why you do not bring slime to school, and I am just so excited to show it to you guys. So yeah, this is my second video on this channel. So let's go. Oh wait, good, I got a new order. Let's see. So their name is Sarah. And they want a yellow buttercream, a blue velvet, and dark midnight. Okay then. Well, so I've got the yellow buttercream, but I kind of like it. And I don't want to give it away. So I guess I'm just going to have to, I don't know. I'm just going to give her the other yellow slime that I have. It's not a buttercream, but I'll just give her it. Because, I mean, she's probably not that picky. She's probably not going to care that much. So, yeah, I'll just give her this one. And then she wanted, which one again? She wanted the blue slime. So I do have this blue slime here, but she's not, but I don't really want to give it away, really, because it's really good, and I don't want to give it away to anybody, so I'm just going to give her my other glittery blue slime, because, I mean, she's going to be okay with that. Yeah, this one is just a clear, blue slime that's crunchy and glittery. So, yeah, I'm just going to give this to her. And then the midnight slime, I don't have a midnight slime. But, I mean, she's not going to care if I give her a galaxy or a Milky Way slime. I mean, like, I don't have a galaxy slime, so I can't give her a galaxy slime. But I can give her a little bit of this, like, mercury slime. She's probably not going to be too picky about it. I mean, maybe she is. But I'll try to find a container for this. But hopefully she's not that picky about these slimes, because I don't have any of them. So, and when I have them, I have all of them. But I just don't want her to have them. So, yeah. So I'll get these in the package and we can start mailing them. Hey guys, it's Caroline. Welcome back to Caroline's World. And today I got a slime package. So the first thing that I see that is in here is a note. So yeah, my yellow buttercream, my blue slime, and my midnight slime. So the first thing I see is this yellow slime. And it's not a buttercream. But I guess it's still yellow, right? But I was really looking forward to the buttercream. Okay then. Well, that's not very good. And then I see another yellow slime. I don't know why, and this one's not a buttercream either, so I guess this one was just oversized. And then I see this teensy little bit of slime, and I don't even know what went wrong with this. It's not even, I think this may maybe just an extra. And then the last thing I pull out is this clear, glittery, blue, clear, crunchy slime. I ordered a midnight blue slime, not this. And this, I bet, was supposed to be my galaxy slime. And this was supposed to be my buttercream. Okay, well that disappoints me a lot. They had like 5-star reviews. I'm mad. I'm gonna text her.
Hello?
Hi. Hi, this is Kelsey, or Caroline. I keep forgetting my name. Oh my gosh. And this slime just is like horrible. Oh, well, this is the wrong number. Bye. So, I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below and subscribe. And follow me at Musical.ly at City Girls Girl. And follow me on Pop Jam at City Girl Awesome. So, yeah, bye. Hi, is it Sarah calling? No, this is Caroline.